Hello class, it's Mr. Planche back with another math video. Be sure if you're recording your own videos to make sure the microphone is on. I made a full take and come to find out there was no sound. But when there's a problem, there's always a solution. And today we're going to be looking at slope given 2 points on a graph using a table. So before, when we were dealing with slope on a graph, we made similar triangles like this. But today what we're going to be doing is going to find 2 clear points on our graph. We're going to label it first. So I'm going to pick a point here, and I'm going to pick a point here. Let's be crazy. And I'm going to label this point 480. And I'm going to label this next point 120. So I take that information and I use a table. If you knew me in 7th grade, you know tables save lives. So for our first coordinate pair, we're going to put 480. And for our next pair, we're going to put 120. So remember when we're finding slope, our change in y and change in our x, change of y and change of x help us get there. So in the same way, we're going to find our change in y. What number plus or minus 80 equals 120? In this case, it's going to be the wonderful number 40. What number plus or minus 4 is 8? We know our change in x is going to be 4. So we take that information and we set it up in our table. Change in y, change in x is going to equal 40 over 4, which simplifies to 10. Let's look at another example really quick. This time I'm going to use the one over 4 screen. I'm going to find 2 clear points in my graph. I'm going crazy. I'm picking 9. Oh, there's a dog in the background. 430. So I'm going to label this 430. And I'll label this other one 955. I take that information, make a graph, because they save line. Make a table. Ooh, I'm speaking. We plug in our coordinates 430, 955. I'm going fast. My handwriting is messy. And I'm going to find my change in y over my change in x. My change in y is what number I can add or subtract to 30 to get 55. In this case, we're going to use the wonderful number 25, not 15. In this case, we're going to add 4 plus 5 is 9. I set it up right here. 25 over 5 is going to equal 5. So in this case, our slope is 5. Now, if we wanted to use a slope triangle, we also find it very similarly. Ooh. Let's see if I took this right here, these 2 points. Set up my slope triangle. I know my change in y. I apologize. My change in x is going to equal my horizontal length. In this case, it's going to be 2. And my change, I wonder if I have enough space. My change in y is going to be my vertical length. So in this case, I count from 10 to 20. I know that's going to be 10. So if we set this up the same way, our change in y, change in x, we have 10 over 2, which applies to 5. So we can see 2 different representations get us the same number. Funny how things work like that, huh?